Alrighty, so I just got up here to our room at the Hilton LAX. It's a king size room here. Right when you come in, here's the door. I could back up a little bit here. So here, I just came in the door. Right next to the door, there's a closet here that you can hang things up if you need. And there's a suitcase rack and ironing board and an iron. So that's very convenient. Right here next is the restroom. It's got a sink and a nice mirror with good light. Nice that they give you a makeup mirror there. Also, or a shaving mirror, whatever it is you need to use it for. Here's the shower and bathtub. So let's come right back out. And then as you can see here, there's a TV, there's an ice bucket if you'd like to get ice. Got a nice desk down there. And then here's the bed. Showing you the artwork there on the wall. And then here I moved the drapery so that you could see it's a sliding glass door. And so you can see across here to the other side, but if you'd like to go out, like it's really late at night now, so I'm not, but there's seating out there. If you'd like to go out, they have a special little security way of doing the doors, so I didn't want to undo it, and I wasn't sure if you're supposed to do that at night anyway. So anyway, it's a really nice room. I'm very pleased. The only thing that would make it better is if my Gordon could be here with us, but we're just gonna make the best of it and have a fun time. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'm happy to answer them. I used a digital key to get in here, which was nice because there was a really long line at check-in. So I'll talk to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.